Hey guys, welcome back to Artsy Nails, Naillogy by Dipanwita. You're with me, Dipanwita, and in today's video I will not be doing any nail art, but I'm going to show you all the dresses that I own, because I'll be trying on all the dresses that I have in my wardrobe. And I really love wearing dresses because they are so easy to wear, easy to style. Just put it on and you're good to go. And therefore I have collected a lot of dresses. I really love buying dresses and wearing them. And yeah, so I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So see you in the end of this video. I have split my entire collection into few categories. So the first one is this, and a few of the dresses might fit a bit loose on me because I've lost weight. And this, pardon if you see price tag anywhere, those are the newly bought dresses and I forgot to cut the price tags. I have attached pictures for the dresses which I have left in my PG. I don't have them with me right now at home. my entire collection. I really feel comfortable in dresses since I collect a lot of them. So I hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And also I mainly do nail art and nail art tips and nail care things, so I hope you guys will like my content on that. So please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and also yeah, comment down below. See you super soon with more videos. Bye guys.